Ready to explode your TikTok shop sales? Let's dive into actionable steps to make it happen fast. First, optimize your product listings. Use clear, benefit-driven titles under 60 characters and detailed descriptions highlighting key features and solving customer pain points. High-quality images and videos are a must. Next, create engaging video content. Show your product in action. Use trending sounds, add text overlays, and keep it short and captivating. Think quick demos, before and afters, or even funny scenarios. Now, let's talk ads. Target your ideal customer by using TikTok's advanced ad targeting. Experiment with different ad formats and always track your results to optimize your campaigns. Collaborate with relevant influencers. Find creators whose audience aligns with your product and let them showcase its value to their followers. Authenticity is key here. Finally, provide excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries quickly, handle complaints professionally, and go the extra mile to build trust and loyalty. Happy customers become repeat customers. Now, get out there and start selling.